What's up, guys? Welcome welcome back, welcome book to another drawing tutorial. So this is Saitama by Murata. This is I cover. It says 193, issue 193. So let's try to do this. It's a shame the anime hasn't gotten good sort of treatment. I mean, it's not terrible, but just because like the manga is so good. Anyway, I won't like sob about it. But let's draw Saitama because he's awesome. Such an interesting concept as well. Just one shots everyone. So on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if it go too fast. Kind of interesting body position. So he's kind of, I don't know if he's like on a wall and he's about to launch himself, or we're looking like down on him. Strange, but worth drawing. So I'm going to start with his head here. We're in 3/4 pose. I'm going to do a check mark for his eyebrow. I'm just going to check this way. Spiky, very spiky and thin at the end, and then a bit thicker at the front. And then he's got like a bit of a frown line that just goes up this way. And then his eye. So it's like serious Saitama. So it's kind of like intense eyes. So we get like top eyelid starting there on that side. And then it comes out from the other side of his eyebrow. So it like comes out here. And there's spikes at the end as well. Bring it back in, down, and back up into where we started. And then his bottom, sorry, the bottom of his iris, you can just see because he's looking up, and then the pupil in there. Bunch. Nah, we nearly got Mappa doing it, you know, and that fell apart. What happened there, actually? Okay, so his nose then next, because we're in 3/4, so we'll go down in. It's kind of following that frown sort of shape, and then the nose just goes this way. And it comes around down there. And then we get a nostril sort of here, I think. And his other eyebrow comes out from this sort of bend in the crinkle of his brow. So it comes out from this point here. It just, again, it's like a sharp angle on the eyebrow. And it's thicker at the front. It just goes right off the brow up there. So his eye then. From there, and it kind of spikes down, and then bring it around back into the nose. And then again, he's looking up intensely from underneath his eyebrow. You just get a bit of his pupil there. You can just see it like looking up. You get maybe a bit of an eyelid line or something there. Right, So his mouth just downturned, kind of standard kind of mouth. And then bottom lip. And then chin. So like a strong sort of square chin. One punch. So his jaw, I just say one punch every now. Sorry. So his jaw. Let's see if you don't know what One Punch Man is and you're listening to this and you're like, why does he keep? But you wouldn't be watching this if you didn't know. Jaw that way. Change direction. Up there. And then over here we get his cheek. So it curves in and out, right? So it goes in towards the nose. And then comes back out. Right, different sort of line. And then it goes around his cheekbone and then up towards the eye. So when it hits the eyebrow, it changes direction and goes in. And then this will go around for his big bald head. First we got his earlobe, sort of touches his jaw here, and then the top of his ear just comes around this way. Right in his ear inside. So like ear lines inside. My pens are a bit, I need like a thinner pen. So like around like this. Right, and then his head. So just bald head, right? So we'll just start going. And it goes fairly far back, like up here. It's tricky enough now. Sometimes hair is easier than a bald head to draw. So don't beat yourself up if that's frustrating. Right, so body, again, body position's kind of, it's not a position we draw that often on this channel, so let's see what we can do. So we can see just like his cape. So the cape covers the shoulder, so it goes down this way. In there. Goes around his shoulder even. That's like the back of his neck. So then we get like his kind of his Adam's apple or something here. And then just the top of his collar is there, and then a neck muscle like that. And then he's got that sort of zipper, sort of key-like kind of zipper just sticking off here. And then I guess this would be like the start of his chest. Like another cape line or something there. So go for the cape. So we'll go around the shoulder here. And this just goes off this way. Just bring it off the page. Very big cape. It's like all around his head, all these fold lines. Right, that's his cape. So then what we can see of his body, so we can kind of see his shoulder, so that this arm leads, right? So this arm is in the front, and then we get kind of like his deltoid coming down there with a tricep at the back of it. So your deltoid muscle is your shoulder muscle, and then your bicep, tricep at the back, just goes that way. Bicep line. So this goes down to his elbow, and then we get his forearm. Then we'll just go back up here and finish his back, what I can see of it anyway. So we just get like, I guess this would be his shoulder blade kind of area. And then there's a knee. So we're like, it's like we're looking down on him. So like his thigh is here. And then this is the top of his kneecap. Methinks. Usually there's like, muscles there. Right, and then a big fist that comes across this side, so we get his red glove. This is like the biggest thing on the page because it's closest to us. So this has like some folds on it. Bum, 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 bum. Just trying to tidy up his face there. Right, then just a big fist just here at the front. So take your time now with hands, they're always tricky. This is like his thumb. Then we get some bumping sort of knuckle lines and stuff here. 2, 3, 4. Bring this back down. Boom, boom. Right, and then each of these is a finger. Bring it down that way. And then we add the knuckle lines. Another thigh comes in behind the fist, so we'll go for this sort of thigh muscle area, and this would be the top of his knee, and then the inner thigh sort of this way, and then that's his calf, I think. And we can see his boot just kind of stuck down here. And then the fist up here. So again, same sort of thing, just looking at it from the other side, right? So you see the glove, sort of gloved hand, kind of bumpy. Because there's all these folds coming around his wrist. And then you see the bump for the palm of the hand, this bump. And then we go for his thumb. And then the back of the hand here. Some finger lines and glove lines and all that stuff in there. Boom. Boom. Saitama. One Punch Man. So like, I think in the cover as well, there's like all cracks coming out. Like, I think it's coming out from where his foot is. Both of them. So you can do that if you want. Will I do it? Nah, leave it like that. Keep it simple. Art.Simple. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.